bird right there is like dodging my dog and playing around with it. My dog is getting really, really mad at it. This is so funny. And you see that bird right there? That bird right there. He is actually trying to be rude to this dog. And that bird just looking at her. It was over there, and then Sassy's like approaching it. It's like jumping all around like that. Boom, boing. Let's do like fingers and playing like that. Yeah. This is gonna be funny. My dog is eyeing it. Oh, see that? It's just moving around. I'm gonna go full zoom on this bird. And if you see it, it's just flying around away from my dog. Trying to catch that bird. It's blurry, I'm sorry. And make sure to leave a like and subscribe because that bird just left.